So, what are these alpha rays, beta rays, and gamma rays? Well, it was discovered that alpha radiation are actually fast-moving helium nuclei, so made up of 2 protons and 2 neutrons, and we call each individual one an alpha particle. And beta radiation is actually high-speed electrons coming from the nuclei of radioactive atoms. It's formed from the disintegration of a neutron into a proton and an electron. And gamma radiation is high-frequency electromagnetic radiation. And you can read through some of the bits and pieces there. Now, down here to what you're going to be doing basically is these nuclear equations. They should make mathematical sense. So, for example, this radium nuclear atom here, it has an atomic number of, whoa, didn't mean to do that, of 88, and it has, sorry about that, and radon has an atomic number of 86. So therefore, the helium here and the alpha particle has an atomic number of 2, and these numbers must add up at the bottom and at the top. So it should make mathematical sense what you're doing. Now to go over here for some more examples. And then watch how this is written here, the beta emission. So beta emission is basically, as I said, a neutron disintegrating into a proton electron. Again, they should make mathematical sense. See the way a proton is written, 1 on top, the mass number of 1, and +1 is the atomic number. The atomic number here for electron is -1, and essentially a mass of 0. So when it comes to writing a nuclear equation, there's more or less no change in the mass. So the top number stays the same. The bottom number, because the electron is -1, this the mass number becomes 89. You have to add on 1. So you're moving up the periodic table with beta emission, and you're actually moving down the periodic table 2 steps with alpha emission. Now, gamma rays don't have any effect on the doesn't change the atom at all. It's just emission of radiation. So it's a nice little question there. And then here, you have to go and figure out what x is. And again, it's fairly simple maths. Let's go for a highlighter this time, maybe. So 86, therefore this number here has to be 84. And the same here, this number here would have to be 216. And then you look up your maths tables and find out what number is 84. And let's see how easy that is to do. So you go and find 84, and that is PO, polonium. And now you should nearly be able to go and have a good shot at the exercise. And do let me know if you have any difficulty with it. So maybe the ones at the end here. So again, if you want to move down the periodic table, it's going to be an alpha particle, and if you need to move back up, it's going to be a beta particle. So you move down by 2 by emitting an alpha particle, and move up 1 by when a beta particle is emitted. And let's see how that exercise goes with you guys.